Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today I will show you how to make this hands-on display for your kids to learn a little geography. You need 6 different colors of paper, a sharpie, and a book ring. You will also need your hole punch. To make it easier, I use my cutting machine to cut out the circles, but you can cut them out by hand. Start by cutting out 5 circles from the different colors of paper. Make each circle smaller than the one before. You will also need to cut a house shape out of a different color. Line up the circles and use your hole punch to make one hole through every circle. Add the book ring to attach them together. Add a different location on each circle. We will use these as time progresses to learn different parts of the planet. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.